Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Twitter trends on settings. We will click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we will go down. We will click here on apps, then we come here to apps window and we will go down here to looking for Twitter app. We will just go down here to looking for Twitter app and we will click here on Twitter. Then we go to this is window. We will click here on force stop. Then we will click here on OK, and we click here on storage. Then we come to storage window. We will click here on clear cache, and we will click here on clear data. And you just turn off your phone and turn on it, and it's going to figure out your solution. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe and see you in next video.